Look here. Right. See there, one of our birds uses its feathers to carry water to waiting chicks. Ooh! Another trivia. Only one of our ducks has a threatened species status. Another trivia. One of our birds is traditionally thought to bring the rains. One of the birds is the world's largest partridge. And what's this? Read this one. Socializes. Wow, that's a lot. And this one? One of our birds flies halfway around the world every year. That's cool. Welcome to Wasit Wetland Center. Nice. Entrance. Head to reception to scan the ticket. Okay. Look at this. We are here. We're here. This one is the Wasit Wetland Center. Look at that. This is the map of UAE. Is it? Is it? Wow, look at that. Yes. Here, let's scan first. Our ticket. Outside. Hello. Thank you. This way. Okay. Thank you. Okay, come on. That's the start of the tour. Yeah? Yeah, we're gonna bring it over there. Come on. Let's start. Wow. And they have flags. Right? Oh, this is the start now. Aviary display. Poo. Okay. Hale, see, there's a security later ka na mag-scooter. Yeah. Wow, look at this. These are the Wadi birds. Yes. Say hi to the bird. What's the bird? What's this bird? Hi. Now come on, sit here. Sit here. Come on, sit here and look at it closely. Sit here. Sit here. Look at it closely na lang. Look at it closely here. Come on. Look closely so that you will see. Oh. Hello. Nice. Okay. Oh, what's that? Tell me. Northern bald ibis. Wow. Look at that. Smile mo na ba? Are you happy?
Yes.
You like this new place? Oh. It's like a flamingo. He can stand with one leg, na?
But what happened to his feet?
Where? No, it's just a tag. It's a tag. You see, it's like a. What do you call that? When you go inside in their playground, what do you call that? Wristband. Right? Yeah, it's like just a wristband. Oh, come on, let's take a picture of them. We have Arabian helmeted guinea fowl, northern bald ibis, There's more. Wow. Yes, there's a lot of northern bald ibis, no? There's more. Look at their...
Family.
Yeah. Look at their... Lance, look at the nests.
Tatay,
Look at the nest.
tatay tayo.
Yeah, look at the nest on top of the tree. That's their nest. You see the nest?
Tatay mo ipalit.
Mm.
Tatay mo ipalit yun.
Yes.
I did the family.
Wow, look at these birds. More guinea fowl, yes.
Look at this guinea fowl.
Is this the guinea fowl? Is this the guinea fowl?
Oh, this is what I see. This is what I saw. This is what I see.
Where?
This is what I
Yeah, the first one that you saw. It's a Eurasian stone curlew. Oh.
Yeah, with big eyes.
With big eyes. And the big one, the black one, the big ones, they are called Abdim's stork.
Acting stone.
Oh, it's a stork. I think the one that's on top of the tree is a stork. You see that? And look at the nest of the stork. Oh, so big. Right? What else? Oh, Ruddy Turnstone, Curlew Sandpiper, and the Kentish Plover. Wow! What? These are ducks. These are ducks. Nice. Common redshank, reed avocet, and ruff. But look at the ducks. Try on the pelican feet. This is a feet. This is a gray plover feet and the pelican feet. Look at the ducks. Smile for Kuya. Here. Can you face me? Face daddy, please. Smile. Smile in the camera. Where's the circle of the camera? Perfect. Oh look, it's eating time. Look, it's feeding time. Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's see how they will feed. Come on. Feeding time. Here. Come here. You're gonna see them how they feed. Let's wait. How do they feed? Ayan. Look at the ducks. They're going out because they know it's feeding time. Close your mouth. Wait lang. Ayan, look. They're forming na. Ayan na. Wait for it. Come on, ducks. Ayan. The one duck saw the tray. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayun. Who's that? Who's this? That is, I don't know, that bird. Who's that bird? With the gold, you know. Ayun na. They know it's feeding time, kuya. Feeding time. I don't know, maybe it's a pied avocet. Here. Common redshank. Is it? Feeding time na po nila. Look at the lips. Oh, yun. Yun na. They start to eat. Look how the birds eat.
Good.
Yes.
They're eating too.
Feeding time. Maybe it's their lunch time?
I don't know what's up.
The food?
We don't know what's up.
Maybe bread. Not sure though. No one's is eating.
Tata's not eating.
Yeah, like what? What, guys? Maybe it's not for the ducks. Maybe it's for the birds. But I don't know why only one bird is eating, right? The others are not eating. Are they waiting for someone? Wow, nice birds. Marble duck, wow. This way pa, this way pa. Dito pa muna tayo. Tapusin natin ta. Ikat tayo dito. Wow, what's that? The Kentish plover. Charadrius alexandrius. Dunlin and black-tailed godwit. Ayun, lagoon birds. Yeah, this also cafe means you drink. Yes, flamingo. Look, flamingos over there. Nice. Over there. But sit, ano ka muna here? Come on. Come on. Let's explore here the flamingos this side. Come on. Let's see. But only it's like drinks and basic food. But it's okay. We're gonna go naman. After, we're gonna go to IKEA Mall, maybe? You want? Right? Then we're... Yes. But I want you to see first the flamingos. Come here. Come, come. Let us sit and watch the flamingos. See? Here. Come. Come. Sit, sit, sit. Yeah, let's sit for 2 minutes and watch them. Nice. And there's also a big pelican, no, behind the flamingo. You see that? Look at. Let's wait for the pelican. The big pelican. So you see that? Diba the pelican will have like a big mouth to catch the fish and water. Let's wait for them. Hey man, you see the big mouth? If it's eating something. You see the big pelican walking. See that? Yun. He's twisting his his mouth. Ayun, you see the big mouth? Oh, see, he was eating something. Look at the big mouth. Also this pelican, oh, look. Oh, so big.
Yeah, he's watching.
Yeah. See, I think he's very fat. Look at him, so big. Nice. And the other one is swimming na. Wow, look at the flamingo's legs, wings. Like it?
Yeah. Tita Flamingo.
Smile. Smile, kuya. Smile in the camera. Then we'll go na. Come on. Smile. One more. I didn't see you. Okay. Let's go. You want to see the flamingos pa? Okay. Come on. Not sure. After this festival mall, perhaps? I'll check pa if there's a Virgin Megastore. I need to return something. Yes. Of course, of course. Of course, of course. Come on, let's check the exact name of that big bird. What's the name of that big bird? Fulvous whistling duck, an Indian silverbill, European bee-eater, Arabian green bee-eater, blue cheek bee-eater, black winged stilt, and the common sandpiper. Ayan, ayan. Ito yung name, kuya, ah. The name of that pelican, pink-back pelican. And greater flamingo is the pink. Yes, the what? The greater flamingo? Yeah, no, but at least we see it here. A gray heron. Avocet. Eurasian. Oyster catcher. Crab. Plover. Black winged stilt. And the black-tailed. That's right. Lance, you stand muna here being the lagoon birds, be. I'll take a picture of you. Okay? Ready? Wait lang. One more. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Next up. Bye, pelican. Ano yun? Pink back pelican. Right? Nice?
Yes.
Okay, next up. Come on, come on. Yeah, this way na. This space naman. This lane naman. What do we have here? Wow. Marsh birds naman to. We have Eurasian oyster catcher, gray heron, and a squawko heron. But who's this white one? You see that white one?
Yes, see that in Daddy's eye.
Ah, yeah, really? Sino kaya yung white one na yan? Sino yung white one na yan? Pangalan? Ah, okay. Little egret. Hi, little egret.
Oh, this is yours in that way for 40 centimes.
Really? The gray francolin? Little egret pala yun. Okay. Nice. Say hi, bird. How are you?
Look at this.
Ayan o.
Ayun.
They're chasing each other.
I think they're gonna swim.
Right.
I think they're gonna swim, maybe.
Do you know this is also science? Diba Teacher Vives asked us to take a video of science. But do you know this one is also science? How the birds fly? It's also science, Lance. Wow. Oh, wow, they splash their feet into the water. That's nice.
Ayun, Tita Medina.
And drink as well. They're thirsty. Not only you gets thirsty, only also the little egret. Ito yung oyster catcher. Look at the tongue. The beak and the mouth of this oyster catcher. This one, the black. This one. Okay, but this one, look at the beak of the oyster catcher. You see that? Because of his beak, that's an oyster catcher. Oh, yun pala yun. We have cattle egret, Eurasian spoonbill, and black-crowned night heron. Wow. Oh, this is close. He's so close. Let's take a picture of him. Little egret. Cattle egret. Okay. Nice. He's not afraid of me. Ooh.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Some are walking, some are not walking.
They're happy.
But they walking.
Yeah, they're walking because they need to exercise their legs. Same with you, right?
Yeah. So that has ice container. Right?
Right.
Look. See that they are exercising.
Yes.
Maybe we shouldn't wait for they eat.
Yes. Others are waiting for food or feeding time. Others are perhaps relaxing. Like Wawa walking and doing walking. So they're also walking. Alright?
I didn't say that it's time to swim. I think it's time to swim now.
Or maybe they're done taking a bath in the morning. I don't know.
I don't know.
Right?
That's what I don't know. Maybe.
Yes. I really love that oyster catcher. Look at the beak. Yeah, look at the beak. Oh, it's like a flat. It's like it's like a good job, lads. Correct. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I want to say. It's like a spoon. Look at that. Perfect to get the oyster from the mud. Good job. You remember. That's what I'm trying to say. It has a familiar. It resembles a familiar thing. It's a spoon, pala. It's a spoon?
Yes.
Spoon pala yun. Spoonbill. Yes. That's a spoonbill. Sorry, not the oyster catcher, but it's a Eurasian spoonbill. Look at the beak. Right?
So it's a spoonbill.
That's nice. You want to be a spoonbill as well?
No.
I thought you want to have. I thought you want to have Ruffles. Oh, really?
Yes.
Ruffles Weaver. Okay. The black-headed bunting.
What's the scientific name?
Emberiza melanocephala.
What's the scientific name?
Common chaffinch. Frigilia coalabs.
What's it?
Arabian golden sparrow, passer, euchurios.
Who are the bites?
What are they doing?
I think this is common catfish. I think it's this one.
Really?
Common catfish.
Common chaffinch? Okay. Nice. Common chaffinch. We have the black-crowned sparrow lark or Eremopteryx nigeresips.
What is?
White-eared bulbul. Pycnonotus leucotis. Chestnut-bellied sun grouse. Pterocles exustus erlangeri. Dusky turtle dove, Streptopelia lugens, and Tristam's grackle. Wow, where is this blackbird? I want to see it. Onychognathus tristrami. And the sand partridge, Amoperdix hayi. Where is this blackbird, Tristram's graten?
I don't know.
Nice. Reed bedbirds. Reed bedbirds. Oh my! Why are they not moving? What are they doing, Lance? Oh, look at the hair, look at the hair. The hair is standing up. Alright, they're talking to each other. Look at the hair. Oh.
I think it's eating it.
Is he looking for an earthworm or something?
Ayun.
Ayun.
He has a big mouth.
Yes, he has.
Oh.
Nice. What's the name of this bird?
I don't know.
Maybe that one. Yeah, what's the name? Goliath heron. That's right. Goliath means big. Mamoreneta angustirostis. Ardea Goliath. The where? Purple swamp hen. Porphyrio. I want the Goliath heron. Look at them.
Let's see what else.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, I want this one. This is what I saw on TV. This is what we see.
Yes. What's this one? Estuary birds. Yes, estuary birds. Ah, only small. Ayun. There is not moving. The ruddy shelduck and the western marsh harrier. But look, this looks like an eagle. This one.
Oh, that's sweet. Oh.
Nice. Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, they also have turtle, but we didn't see the turtle.
What do you want to see?
The what?
Potato.
Kaya nga, wala dito eh. Maybe in the lagoon or something. You want to go back? That's it eh. You want to go back for more?
Yeah.
The other side. Come on, let's go back to the other side. Let's watch them. Right. This other side. Ayun na, they're feeding na the ducks. Come on, let's watch them. Here, Yun. Watch them eat. Are they eating now? Ah, hindi. Yung mga small birds pa. Iba pa yan, no? They went away, Lance. Because we arrived. They were shy. They're shy. Oh.
They went away.
Yeah. You want water, buddy? Ito. Mag-water ka. That's it. Let's go. Are you happy? We'll check if there are other stuff here. Magpipi muna si Daddy. Pipi muna tayo. Nagpipi ka na. You want to pipi?